Hi, I'm Richie, host of the Rich Life web series.
Hi, I'm Miley, her boss.
Oh no, I messed that one up. I'm sorry.
Oh, table.
I know. Tablescape.
You need to
tour.
do that part. You need to do that.
Okay, all right, can we start again? Yeah, that's right. She's my boss and we're in our office. Yes, we love this space. I've got my own place to work. Riley has her own place to work.
But there's only just one problem, our closet.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. And why is it pretty bad?
Because it's not organized.
Yeah, we've got a lot of books and a lot of stuff that we've just stuffed in the closet. So that's where you come in.
Yep, and you save the day by giving us the money to basically make a closet library.
Yes, our vision is to create a closet library that has an industrial chic look that goes really well with our existing look. Our goal is to create the look using peel and stick wallpaper that looks just like exposed brick, and we're going to use wooden planks, stained wooden planks, as the bookshelves supported by decorative plumbing pipes. What do you think about that?
I think it's really cool, and I like how it's like a little bit of fancy and a little bit of regular, and then mix it together modern. Booyah.
Booyah! So we're going to put it all together using these materials. And guess what?
What?
We're going to use some really cool tools on the Home Depot mobile app, like the wallpaper calculator, to make sure we get exactly the right amount of wallpaper. We're going to use the online shopping feature where we can purchase our items online and then pick them up in the store. Yep, so that saves us a lot of time, so we can come back and work on our project. So all we need now is
the money from you.
Thank you.
Bye.